Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the passcode for your account restriction settings on your PS4 console. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Parental Control and Account Management. Select PS4 System Restrictions. Enter your PIN code here. If it's your first time in the settings, the default code is 0000. At the bottom of this page, select Change System Restriction Passcode. Start by entering your current passcode, and then enter your new one. Your PS4 System Restrictions password has now been updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.